Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed our channel, do consider subscribing. And today we are going to shoot 11-hour study routine. I'm done with my morning lectures and my daily routine, and now I am going to start with the study sessions. I am reading the chapter Parliament in this clip, and I have made these notes from Lakshmikant, and I am revising the chapter Parliament. So in this session, I am reading Indian Economy NCERT of 11th standard, and I was reading chapter 3rd. So now I'm going to start with the Indian polity, and if you want to know the important chapters of Indian polity that we should read again and again, then leave a comment in the comment section and I'll make a dedicated video on the important chapters and the important topics of Lakshmikant. So in this session, I was continuing the chapter of Lakshmikant, and I study Lakshmikant mostly these days. So that's why you see me reading Lakshmikant most of the times. I was exhausted after studying, so I took a nap of half an hour, and here I am looking fresh and fine. So now I'm going to start with the sixth study session for today, and in this session I'll be reading Western political thought. So if any one of you who is interested in taking political science as your optional in UPSC, do consider this book because this book is very nice. This will complete your whole Western political thought, and the language and the points in this book is so good that it's very easy to understand. So if you want to know more about the political science optional resources, do let me in the comment section and I'll share the resources with you which I am reading. So now I'm going to start with the seventh study session for today, and many of you have asked me that how I read on my tablet. I have all my PDFs of NCERT in my tablet, so I highlight the important words and I'll show you one sample. Like this is 11th class economics NCERT, and I have studied this chapter. See, I have underlined the important terms and important statements, any kind of definitions. Just underline the important parts, nothing else, so that when you read second time you just read these things, not anything else. So I hope you got it now. And I'm exhausted, but I'll continue with the study sessions. Before that, I would like to talk to you about something, because you people are like a family. We read newspaper on daily basis, we watch news on televisions, and sometimes the news is so sad and disheartening. We can't really ignore the news. If we are reading the newspaper, there are lot of columns in which we can see these kind of news. So I just request you everyone to be a little nice to the people around you. Talk to your loved ones, talk to your family members, talk to your friends. They might seem okay, but everyone is going through something in their life. So I just urge you, please talk to the people around you, because कई बार ऐसा कुछ भी हो जाता है कि आपके बात करने से द अदर पर्सन फील्स वेरी नाइस एंड पॉजिटिव, mentally positive. So think about it, and if you have any other suggestions or anything, do let me know in the comment section. So let's continue with the study sessions. So in this session I am reading 12th class political science NCERT. In this session I am continuing 12th class political science NCERT. In this session, I am making a list of important articles of the Constitution. If you want me to share this list, to comment in the comment box. Yo guys, you have reached the end of the vlog. I hope you liked the vlog. This was a very tough challenge to take, and I usually study for 6 to 7 hours daily, which is my daily routine, and this was something very new to me, and I hope you like the vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm thinking of teaching a chapter per day or a topic per day. If you want to see those videos, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll make individual videos on that. Like one day I'll teach about parliament, the second day I'll teach about the important articles of the Constitution, like so do let me know in the comment section, and I'll wait for your replies. Thank you so much. Peace out.